So you guys will have seen earlier that I had a broken socket, right? And I've tracked him down. I tracked him down, right? And it's how often do we track down a Snap-on dealer? We just don't do it. Guys, so if you was on about the warranty earlier on Blue Point, there it is, look, brand new socket. All nice and sheathed up and everything. And that is courtesy of that man there. Should we get a little zoom on? So Adam is my Snap-on dealer, so obviously you'll have individual dealers, but my guy has sorted me out. So there's the little roundup of this one. So I've got a new socket again, guys, and it won't be long till I fuck this one as well. But that is what warranty's for. Happy days. I'm going to get in my car now. It's fucking freezing out here. Yes, so guys, Blue Point, absolute winner. So yeah, if you have a look on the internet, you'll probably see that Blue Point have the same warranty as Snap-on. Obviously there will be limitations to all warranty. If you fucking start oiking on ratchets and stuff like that, they're gonna go, nah, fuck off. But if it's general wear and tear, my dealer is Ace and he'll replace it. So there's my new socket, guys. I'm gonna go